Here's a superstar that is dead set on proving why she's the best in WWE.
And she's not been quiet about it either, calling out everyone and anyone in the locker room.
That is the only way you can climb to the top. Sitting back just doesn't get you there.
But don't underestimate her opposition. A superstar with great athletic prowess and an in-ring IQ that's prepared her for any situation.
She responds with a counter.
Quick exchange of counters there.
Just turn that around.
Way up and down hard.
A powerbomb like that will leave you with bruises and remind you of this moment for days.
She did her homework there.
Side kick on the mark. Neck breaker into a butterfly suplex.
Oh! Beautiful fitting backbreaker. The better part of that.
Uh-oh!
Oh, just completely off target there.
That was playing with fire and getting burned. The decision to take such a risk at this juncture is questionable.
Impressive reversal there. She's taking some big hits here. Massive mat slam. Oh, what a kick.
Moved at the right time.
Up and suplex. Running swanton, awesome.
Moonsault, moonsault.
No.
Suicide dive to the outside.
Cole does it better. It's like a heat-seeking missile coming at you.
And the explosion occurring ringside.
Kinshasa.
Oh, man.
Into the pin attempt.
Just looking for ways to wear out her opponent.
Rapid fire. Holy cow! What outrageous athleticism. Pop-up hurricanrana.
And she gets herself out of a precarious position.
A series of hammer fists raining down.
Corkscrew senton.
Incredible.
Able to counter.
Counter after counter.
Into the corner now.
On up top, ready to strike. This superstar digging deep, and now perhaps on the verge of a win. Shoulders down. Could she finally put this away?
She kicks out with force. What does she have to do to put her away?
I'm asking myself the same question. I have no idea.
Is it enough? The cover. Two. Forces the shoulder up after two.
Both competitors digging deep into their well to keep this match going.
She's got her where she wants her. I think we're going to see it, gentlemen. Powerbomb. Into the rope blow. Amazing. Kevin, cue that up again.
What a kick out. She's not done yet.
I thought for sure this thing was wrapped up.
Well, stay in your seat. Looks like we've got a ways to go.
Look out!
Star frog splash. This is a crushing amount of offense from her.
She's efficient and dangerous with her offense thus far.
Somehow she's still in this matchup. It's unbelievable.
Wrench on the head. You have to imagine we're hitting the late stages. Super kick.
There's more. Corkscrew splash to push it off. This one is all over.
A kick out. I don't believe it.
It was almost all over for her. It does not get much closer to 3 than that.
And that result leaves everyone shocked. But will the shoulder come up if that move hits one more time?
She's getting back up, but she might be down again soon.
Here we go. She comes up empty.
Answer after answer for each other's offense here.
Look out.
And that one misses the mark.
Fires back with a crucial elbow. She's fighting back. She's sent flying into the corner. Not where you want to be right now.
Guys, I don't know if they're going to be able to pull this one off.
Oh, my goodness.
Superplex.
And she's been brought to a disadvantage now.
She just has to find a spark somehow.
Ooh, retaliated with a knee to the face.
Slingshot lariat.
She avoids the contact. Super kick finds the mark. Screw splash. How much more can they